Oh my. Morning guys, John here.
And Malie.
Welcome back to the channel.
This is our last morning in Shanghai before we have to jet off back to Hong Kong.
So our visa exemption period in Shanghai is finally up and we have to go.
We have to check out of our hotel and make our way to Shanghai Pudong Airport. But we're going on the Maglev train.
But first, breakfast. This is our first breakfast snack. Pan-fried dumplings. Ooh, nice and hot. Have no idea what this place is called. It's all in Chinese, but when we find out, we'll put a little link in the description box. The store is just a few stores down from Jiajiaqiangbao on Huang He Rd. Let's try this dumpling. Nice and crispy on the bottom. Juicy, flavorful filling. Let's get some of that sauce in. That actually has a really nice flavor.
Oh my god, did you guys just see all that juice squirt out? That's how juicy it is. So good.
So these pan-fried dumplings are really cheap and really delicious. They're only 6 RMB for 6 dumplings. That's 1 RMB each. What? Where else can you get such cheap street food? Check out that filling.
Next breakfast item, we have these steamed baos. There's a long line of people at this corner store on Huang He Rd. People were buying, I think we saw one woman buy like 20 of them. But these are just fresh and hot from the steamer. Let's try them. Not sure what's inside. I'm thinking it might be pork, but I gotta eat it to find out. No, this one is like a vegetable one, I think. It has some chives and looks like some chunks of tofu. One of these baos is only 2 RMB. Bargain.
Holy moly, I can tell that this one here is going to be super juicy. You can see all of that juice from the bao just seeping through the bun. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. That's really juicy.
Oh wow. That's super juicy. And really hot as well. I think it's beef. And the sauce in there, that marinade, I don't know what it is, but it's really delicious. I can taste a bit of soy sauce. It's a little bit sweet and salty. Oh yeah. This is really good. At 2 RMB, who's complaining? Not this guy. Alright guys, still on Huang He Rd. We're back at this place for their jianbing. We've had them before. We just had to have it one last time before we leave Shanghai. So let's go get it.
这两个上次来的哈，记得吗？这2个人，记不记得？就前2天哈。上次他拿了那个大的那个一个叫什么东西？
Got our 2 jianbing here, steaming hot.
Alright, we got ourselves 1 jianbing each. So happy right now. We just gotta quickly down this so we can rush back to our hotel and get to the airport. Perfect street food.
So happy to eat this again. Nice, crunchy and spicy. For sure, a definite must try whilst in Shanghai. So good.
Next to the jianbing, you can get this, I think it's like a pancake with sesame seeds on top. I'm not quite sure, but it looked really popular. Everyone was getting this, so we had to try it. I have a piece here with a lot of sesame seeds. Just a really thin pancake with some scallions, it looks like, sesame seeds. It started off as a really big giant pancake and she's chopped it up and put it in this bag. Such an easy snack to eat. For a whole bag of scallion pancake, it was 6 RMB. Super cheap, super easy to eat, and you can just take it on the go.
Hey guys, so we just left our hotel. We're in a taxi heading to Longyan Station. So the Shanghai Maglev Train runs from Longyan Station to Pudong International Airport. And it's supposed to be one of the world's fastest trains, topping at 431 kilometers an hour. So keen to be on that train right now. Gotta go grab tickets for the Maglev train. Alright guys, we're at Longyan Station waiting for our Maglev train. So we've got our tickets here for the Shanghai Maglev train. So the train goes from Longyan Station to Pudong International Airport. Really excited.
So our train just arrived, we're gonna hop on. Make sure that you bring a printed copy of your boarding pass so you can get 10 RMB off your ticket. The normal price of the ticket is 50 RMB, so we end up paying only 40 RMB. Let's hop on.
This train is so fast, it hit the top speed of 431 kilometers an hour. That's awesome.
So there are certain time periods that the train will go at top speed, so not all trains will reach that speed, so you have to go check out the timetable.
Almost at the airport, the train is slowing down now.
Was that already 7 minutes?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, that was so fast.
Even though it's slowing down, it's still going at about 200 right now and dropping down slowly, but that's still so friggin' fast.
So if you're in a hurry, catch the Maglev train. There it is behind us.
See you Maglev train, see you Shanghai. It's been real.
Alright, we gotta go.
Hey guys, we're inside Pudong International Airport. We've checked in, gone through immigration.
So now we can relax and just wait for our flight back to Hong Kong. Just a tip, if you are traveling to Pudong Airport, they do have really strict immigration process. So it took a while, so make sure you leave a lot of time.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed our Shanghai videos.
It was a really short 4 days for us. There was so much to do and eat, and I feel like we could have stayed here for at least another week.
There was so much food we still wanted to try but didn't get to.
Yeah.
So Shanghai, we're definitely coming back.
For sure.
If you guys enjoyed our Shanghai videos, please give them a big thumbs up.
Let us know what you thought in the comments below.
If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified when we upload next.
Yep.
And the next time we'll see ya, we'll be in Hong Kong.
Yeah, back to Hong Kong.
Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
See you guys.